Hello friends, welcome to Otika Healthcare Private Limited. Today we are going to demonstrate and using of the Otika made suggestion complaint letter box. So this is the product. It comes with the door where you can put the letter over here and this will automatically get set off wherever you are putting any letter inside, and it will come down like this, or you can put it open like this. It is coming with the lock system and we are opening it. So inside we have provided the stickers. So in the sticker we have given the 4 different purpose like letter box, suggestion box, donation box as well as a complaint box. So this comes with the 2 screw as well as the grip, and it comes with the key. So you can put the key over here and you can use it and you can lock it. So this is how, and you just need to take this label, you can put it here, apply it anywhere in the box, and you can use it something like whatever the sticker you want to apply here. You just need to apply it carefully and it will be there for a longer period of time. So we have given, this is a multi-purpose box. It is useful in the various industries, in the manufacturing department, in the office, in the institutes. So there are 4 various use: letter box, suggestion box, donation box and a complaint box. It comes with the attractive color and openable shutter, and this is also, you can close it and you can open it very smoothly. So this is how our multi-purpose suggestion complaint box comes with. Thank you for watching.